So this right here is the civil rights timeline project. So everything is really laid out for you guys. The goal here, again, like I said, is to put everything in the chronological order and also explain the importance of the events. You guys will be using this web link right here to do it. So what's going to happen, you have to click on it. You're going to have to click on where it's right here where it says Enable Adobe. Everybody got me on that? And if you got a computer like mine, sometimes it likes to block it. You got to click right here. I'm literally got to walk you guys through like how to do this because it's kind of like how it works. Okay. Which is kind of odd because this computer doesn't normally do that. So you have to enable Adobe and what I have to say Adobe? You got to enable Adobe, which is how giving me a hard time of seeing it. There it is. All right. Thank you. I cannot see that. All right. We're going to go ahead and allow it. And this is going to come up. This is going to be interactive for you guys, so it works pretty good. Make sure you guys put your name here. Then on this line here, you put the project title. How you going to organize it? You guys are going to organize it based on the date. Okay. Click on date. And then this is how it goes. You basically just pick a spot. You put in the event. Gives you guys the example. So let's go ahead and type in some stuff. Started. So I put an event here. Somebody give me like an event they know from the civil rights movement. I don't care, just throw something out. All right, the bus boycott. So for the label, I'll put the bus boycott. Is it right? That'll be the title. The description is going to be the years that it occurred. So if it happens just 1 year, just put like maybe May of 1965 through August of 1965. Is everybody got me on that? And then the full description is where you tell me the description of the event. Is everybody got me there? Now, if you can find an image, you can go find on the internet and you can go ahead and paste the image in there as well, okay? Everybody got me? And then you just click here, save, and then it shows up there. You can move it around wherever you want it to go. You make a timeline. Makes sense, right? Okay. Now, click on finish when you're done with it. And what you want to do is save final. Is everybody got me on that? You want to save it as final. So save it as a PDF. Make sure you name it. And this is what you guys can upload to CTLS. Make sense, everybody? Okay. I have this recorded for you guys as well. That's how you guys do it. And this is all laid out right here for you. The same thing I just did is laid out right here for you. Now, the project requirements. All events must be in chronological order. You must have at least 15 pictures and illustrations. Everybody got me on that? So that means you want to have 15 events, 15 pictures and illustrations. Each event on your timeline must include a date, what happened and significance. 2 to 3 complete sentences is the minimum. You must include the following events. These are the ones you guys got to pick from, all right? Black Panthers are founded. Brown v. Board of Education. Cesar Chavez created United Farm Workers Union. Civil Rights Act of 1957. You guys see this list right here. That's what you guys are doing on, okay? You got to pick at least 15 out of these. Is everybody got me on that? There's a lot more than 15 there, but you got to pick at least 15 out of this. Is everybody clear? Online, you guys follow me there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys want to add quotes from civil rights movement leaders, you guys can add that. Include at least 2 quotes from civil rights movement leaders. You may not use pictures that have quotes that's pre-printed on them. Does everybody got me on that? So you know how you sometimes get memes that already have like quotes from people? Don't use those because it becomes a problem when you try to upload it. Does everybody got me on that? Okay. All right. So now the grading. I put here saying you must turn in the rubric with your project to earn credit. Don't have to worry about doing that for you guys. Is everybody got me on that? Because I want in my AP classes, they have to do self-grading. You guys don't have to worry about that, okay? As long as you do this whole thing, you're good to go. But I do want to say a word on plagiarism. All written work must be in your own words. So that in other words, that summary needs to be in your own words. Everybody got me on that? It's not something I should come back if I run this on turnin.com or any other kind of plagiarism site. It should not come back saying that it came from somewhere else. Because then if it does, you get a 0. For notes, 1 day late equals 50% credit. After that, you get zeros. So make sure you guys will be on time. This will be due on Monday. Everybody got me on that? Here's a rubric of how I'm grading you, just for you guys to see how the points will work out for you. And you guys don't have to worry about references or anything either, okay? Any questions from online people about this project?
No.
Yeah, this is going to be due Monday at 11:59. Is everybody got me on that? I'm going to change the due date in CTLS, Monday at 11:59. You can turn in late by Tuesday, but the max you can get if you do everything perfect is 50%. So I'm technically really giving y'all 3 days to do it. You got Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and you have the rest of the class to do it right now. Now, let's say you have your computer just is not working with this website. Is everybody got me on that? Like you just cannot get the timeline to work. That's fine. Just make sure you still complete a timeline whichever way you can. Make sure you still hit these requirements. Has everybody got me there? So like say it again, if this website just does not work, I get it. Sometimes it's not gonna work on some people. You notice how I had a second getting Adobe Flash work on me too. Just do it on paper, do it on another website. I don't care. What you do is make sure you hit these requirements though, okay? What's your question? No, because I don't want you to take that much time on it. Okay. The question was, can we do more events for more extra credit? No, because I'm really gonna look for 15. Make sure this is what I'm doing. Look for 15. I'm gonna look for the pictures, and then I'm gonna randomly select some summaries to make sure y'all didn't plagiarize, and y'all get points on it. Okay. Online people, you guys got any questions on this?
No. You said we don't have to do the references, or we have to do the references?
No, you're not gonna have to worry about doing the references. Not gonna make that a requirement for you guys. All you gotta do is just make sure you pick 15 of these events and people, and do your timeline.
Okay, so basically, like, I just want to make sure it's as simple as it's sounding. So we're pretty much taking each event, putting them in chronological order with a little illustration of it.
And a summary of it, and like a synopsis of what the event was. Okay. And make sure you put the dates there too. Make sure you have your dates too.
Are we spending the rest of class and working on this?
Yes.
Gotcha.
So let me go back to something, show you guys something one more time. If you, again, I really suggest using this website because it's pretty easy. The label is the name of the event. The short description is the dates that it occurred, and then you give me the full description in the pictures. Everybody got me on that?
Okay. And do you have a requirement for how big each little summary has to be?
Go back and make sure I did see what I put in there for you.
2 to 3 complete sentences minimum?
Yeah, 2 to 3 complete sentences.
Okay. Cool. Not too bad.
All right, so online people, you guys go ahead and start working asynchronously, wherever you say it.